What is this email? 1,000 subscribers. Yes, we have reached 1,000 subscribers, more precisely 1,01K subscribers. But can someone tell me how that is related to bananas? Anyway, since I promised my student to do a special video when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do an Ask Me Anything video next. Before that, I need your question. So here is the Google form and you can go and fill it in. I'll put the link in the description below. And one thing that you may want to know is it's anonymous. So I will not collect your email address. So don't worry, I will not know who you are. So just ask me anything that you like to ask. Oh, and I'm also planning to do the next physics memes challenge video. So if you want to do that, I'll put the link in the description below again and you can go and submit your memes. So go and fill it now and I will see you in the next video. Bye!